Welcome students, welcome to my next video. Standard 6, Sources of History, SSC. My dear students, as you all know, the history is study of the past. The person who writes history is a historian. Now the question arises in our mind, how does an historian write history? They write history with the help of various sources which are available in this modern world. They are 1. Material sources, written sources, oral sources. Now I would like to add, which is not there in your textbook, that is audio visual sources, AV sources, audio visual. Now these are the various sources which are available for us to know more about history in this modern world. Now, a number of objects used by the ancestors still exist. Some inscriptions of the past have been recovered. So these sources helps us to understand our history. History can also be learned through customs, tradition, folk art, folk literature, as well as historical documents. All these are known as sources of history. There are three types of sources of history. 1, material source, other one, written source, and the third one is oral source. Structures such as forts, rock-cut caves, stupas, are known as material sources of history. Try to guess what are the other structures can be called as material sources. As we all know, man uses variety of things in his day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts. Artifacts used by the humans in the past provide us valuable information of the life of the people in the ancient time. We decide the period of ancient artifacts like earthen pots by studying the shape, color, and design, and the ancient pot shreds. The ornaments and the artifacts throw light on social interaction. We get information about the diet of the people, but the remains of the food grains, seeds, bones of the animals, and foods in excavations. We also find remains of houses, buildings built in different historical periods. We also find coins and seals. All this gives us information about human activities in the past. Such an artifact, articles, monuments, and the ruins are called material sources of history. Do you know, food grains do not last long. They get easily infected, turned into powder. But in ancient time, people used to roast the food grain before grinding them. If few grains get charred while roasting, they are thrown away. Such charred grains remain intact for a long period. During excavations, such charged grains can be recovered. When these are inspected in the laboratory, we come to know what grain it is. Now you can see in the picture, there are coins. Now these are all the information about the material sources. Students, thus I come to an end of the first part of my video. If you like the video, please do like it. If you have not subscribed it, subscribe it, and also share it with your friends. Share the link with your friends if they are not aware of the video. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.